Hello traders, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is July the 2nd, and the chart of the day is gold, 60 minutes time frame here. So we got a rally in the shorter cycle from June 30th that looks like an impulse, right? It looks extended, especially in the third leg, and now potentially still see one more push higher to finish a 5 waves. I would love to see one more like higher. I think that will sort of increase the chance that this is really an impulse if we can see one more push higher, and then from there pullback is expected to find support against 3247 and then continues to extend to the upside in gold. So it seems to have already started the next leg up again, but you can see the arrow is still turning up for now, which means the bullish bias or the bullish trend has not been fully validated yet. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame, okay, let's talk about a couple of things here. Number one, this is the all-time high in gold. You can see this is clearly 3 waves, right? This is clearly 3 waves, and there is no extension. In fact, it bounced from the perfect 100%. So this is telling you it is a bullish market, but still needs to be confirmed by breaking above here. Otherwise, until it breaks above this all-time high here, we can still do what we call a double correction. But again, there is no doubt it is a bullish market because this is 3 waves down. Now 3 waves down, you can see in the rally here it looks to be a 5 swing. So that means a 5 swing is a motive sequence, by the way. So that means it is more likely to hold above here because of the 5 swing sequence. That's the idea. So 3 swings down is a indication of a bullish market, even though it still needs to break above this peak. But then from here we get 5 swing up, which increases the chance or make it more likely that this is really in the low because of the 5 swing rally. And then on top of that, if you take a look at this pullback here, right, I can go all the way down, let's say to the 240, which is the 4 hour, right? This pullback here, that one also looks corrective. If you simply measure this 1 2 3 here, right, 1 2 3, you notice it bounced also from the 100%. No extension lower, not like the typical 1.61 extension in the wave 3 here, right? So a 5 swing up followed by what looks to be corrective, that actually increases the chance this is really going to hold. 5 swing up and a corrective pullback. Then from here it looks impulsive again, which is back to what we talked about in the 1 hour, this rally here. So all in all, I think the indication is such that we should be able to hold most likely above this low here, especially, right, this 3120 level. Now from here probably we will hold as well, which is the 1 hour low here, 3246, right? Break above this peak 3452, that will definitely increase the chance the low is already in place, and then that will also make it more likely to break the new the all-time high 3500. Okay, so overall that's basically what we're looking at right now. We're looking gold to continue to find support and to rally higher as long as it stays above 3246 in the first degree. Okay, so if you want to get more updates on gold, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. You can also go to our website to check our service. You can look at the trial here and then look at the plans and pricing, compare our plans and pricing, as well as look at the educational courses right here to see if there's anything that can help you learn more about Elliott Wave. All right, so that's the update for today. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.